2025 Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale is going on here in the next week. We have a collection of cars going down. We are bringing 12 pieces, and we have several museum grade quality Trans Ams actually going through the auction. I'm going to touch base on those with you, but restoremusclecar.com, we're going to have all of our cars listed in our inventory that are the ones specifically going to Barrett-Jackson. It'll say in the description and also on the leading image. So you can see all the pictures, video, details about the car, then obviously the link to Barrett-Jackson so that you can see the lot numbers and register to bid online or actually in person. I will be there at the auction, so you can reach out to me anytime. I'd be glad to meet with you when the cars are in line to go through the sale or across the block. All right, so let's go through and check out all the cars, and I'll give you just a quick little highlight on each one. So this is a 1994 25th anniversary Trans Am. It is a convertible automatic AC. It's got all the options and stuff on it. This car only has 1,600 miles on it. This car came out of a collector's museum. It has all the original components and stuff on the car. We believe it to be one of the very first, if not the first, convertible 25th anniversaries made. Check out all the details, pictures, PHS documented car, all the information online. This car runs and drives great. We've completely serviced it, checked everything over. It's always left on a maintainer and obviously stored in a climate controlled museum. So this car actually goes through on Thursday afternoon, prime time. It's lot number 669 for Thursday afternoon. All right, we have a numbers matching 1973 455 Trans Am. This is an automatic AC console. It's a white exterior, cameo white with the white deluxe interior on it. The original drivetrain has been restored and rebuilt. It's actually got some upgraded aluminum heads, the aluminum intake. We've done all the fine tuning on the drivetrain, put countless miles on it to get it all tested and checked over. This car. Been repainted. It's got really nice show quality paint on it. It's a 40,000 actual mile car, so it's got original miles on the title. It's got the rally wheels, new BF Goodrich tires. It's all detailed out underneath the hood and obviously interior and underneath. But check it all out online. Rust-free, solid, complete car, well documented car. 852.1 Thursday afternoon, prime time, Barrett-Jackson on Thursday. All right, so there's nothing better to have than a collector grade museum piece and the end of an era for the Trans Am. This is a 2002 collector edition Trans Am with 25 actual miles. It's not only a convertible, but it's a 6-speed manual car. So with 25 miles, this car came out of a client of ours museum with several of these other pieces. Actual miles, manual car, one of 2,400 produced in the collector edition. Is a museum grade quality piece. Always been stored inside, battery maintainer. This car is lot number 853.1. It's also going to be a prime time Thursday afternoon. So we have a 1978 limited edition Pace Corvette. This Pace car, Corvette, has only 43 miles on it. So it's a collector car, obviously never been driven. It's all original paint. It's been very well maintained. We keep it on a battery tender, start it, check the fluids multiple times. I think we even replaced the master cylinder and stuff on it. This collector grade car has the rare cloth inserts on the silver leather seats. So it's got silver cloth inserts, which is actually a hard option to find on these cars, which make them very comfortable. This is lot number 443.1. This is going to go through Wednesday afternoon, prime time. And here again, it's a 43-mile original Survivor 78 Pace car Corvette. We have another museum grade car. This is a 1999, it's a 4th generation Trans Am. This is a T-top manual 6-speed car that has only 47 actual miles on it. So out of 1,600 produced, this has got to be one of the lowest mileage anniversary Trans Ams. This is a Daytona 500 car. It still has the original window sticker on the side glass. This car retailed at just over $35,000 when it was brand new. This car goes through on Thursday afternoon, prime time, 855.1 lot number, Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. Don't miss your opportunity to get one of the lowest mileage Daytona 500 1999 Trans Ams available. All right, so 2014 Ford Fiesta ST. This is a turbocharged SEMA edition car that was a collaboration between Pat Tillman, Tanner Faust, and Cobb Tuning. This is not a wrap, this is actually paint. So this is a full custom paint job. It's had complete custom tuning, suspension, brakes, wheels and tires. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. All the upgrades are documented and stuff on this car. This is a very fun car to drive, and it's only got 3,000 miles since new, and obviously a ton of work, a ton of money went into this car. Everybody that has ever been and gone to SEMA knows that people put an exorbitant amount of money into a car. So this car is going through Wednesday, prime time, lot number 394.1. Do not miss your chance to own this 101 car as it goes through the sale at Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. All right, there's nothing better than an iconic 69 Camaro that's got a fuel-injected LS motor in it, overdrive transmission. It's got all custom lowering suspension, year one 17-inch rally wheels on it. It's a full nut and bolt frame-off restoration, automatic car, got the deluxe houndstooth interior. Great car going through Barrett Jackson. It's lot number 815.1. This is a Thursday afternoon prime time at Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. All right, we have a 1977 Trans Am. This is basically an all original paint car, maybe some light touch-ups here and there. It's only got 40,000 original mile car. It's got the black deluxe cloth interior, the black Lombardi, automatic, AC, tilt. It's got Hurst T-tops in it. It's got the refinished gold 15x7 wheels, new tires. This car runs and drives out really good. Going through on Thursday afternoon. It's lot number 864 at Barrett Jackson in Scottsdale. So we have a 1975 Chevy K5 Blazer 4x4, fully removable top. One of the last years for a fully removable top, but one of the first years in the square body style. So this is a 350 V8 4-speed manual 373 axle truck with factory air conditioning, and it came out of Tucson, Arizona, so it is a rust-free truck. It was owned by a sheriff down there for years. They did get a repaint on it within the last few years, and so it's very nice, super clean. Has the wood grain insert down the sides of the truck, tan interior on the inside, and new BF Goodrich 33-inch tires all the way around. Refresh on the V8 motor. As you'll see in all the pictures and details, it's all detailed very nicely. And it goes through at Barrett Jackson, Thursday, lot number 863. So check out all the details, restoremusclecar.com and barrettjackson.com. We also have a 1983 GMC Chevy short box, 4-inch lift, 4x4, 1500 series. That is all completely restored. This is a 350 automatic AC, 41,000 original miles on this truck. It's lot number 444.1. This also goes through on Wednesday afternoon, so please make sure you check out all the details at restoremusclecar.com and barrettjackson.com. An absolutely beautiful truck. Everything, new paint, wheels and tires, fully detailed, everything's done. GMC truck, short bed. Barrett Jackson has done a great job in upgrading their app. So download their Barrett Jackson app on your phone or mobile device. and make sure that you register. But biggest thing is you can tag the lot numbers that are not only yours that you're selling or ones that you're interested in buying in the app, and the app will notify you when they're in the staging lanes. So you got to keep an eye on your phone and obviously get back to the staging lanes or to your seat to be able to bid on the car online. You can also do this from home. You don't have to be at the sale to download the app and actually keep track of the cars that you're bidding on so that you can remember to get back to your computer to do your online bidding as well. Barrett Jackson has put a bunch of money into listening to everybody that's been telling them what they want, what they need, and how to make it easier for you to not only keep track of the cars that you're selling, but especially the cars that you want to buy. So barrettjackson.com.